Christmas from... Oh, I thought I was saying it. That's okay. You go ahead.
I insist. You go.
Or let's say it together.
Okay.
Merry Christmas from... Speck, why aren't you saying it with me?
I wasn't sure when we were starting.
Okay, I'll count us down. 3, 2...
No, wait. Can we count 1 to 3 instead?
Sure. 1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas.
Was it on 3 or after?
Like 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3.
3. On 3.
Oh, but wait, how am I going to say 3 and Merry Christmas at the same time?
Oh, good question.
So how about I say 1, 2, and then not say 3, but you can count the beat of 3 so you know it's time to say Merry Christmas.
Or we just do 1, 2, 3,
1, 2, 3, Okay. 1, 2...
Wait. Let's count together.
Okay. 1, 2...
Wait. How do I know when to stop counting?
1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas!
Hey! We did it!
A Christmas miracle.